Look what I got today.
Oh, you get your, it's a new GoPro.
Well, I don't know, it's a new one, but I don't know if I've even used it with the club. Yeah, so I thought I'd fool around with it today.
Last year.
Yeah.
I'm not biking.
Yeah, really?
Bike or do anything.
I went, well, I didn't need my bike
One of our
for skiing.
leaders
I
here.
my skis, I lugged them through the airport.
It's possible.
Telling everybody. Yeah. I mean,
Hey, we're documenting this thing on video this year. First one. Smile, John. Smile. Smile, Joan. Yeah, okay, there you go. All right, gang's all here.
yeah, I'm back here.
Note Kate's hat.
There's a name. I think it's called Go Brim. Do you see it
Go
anywhere?
Brim. That's cool.
Let me see. Let me take a picture of that.
Go Brim.
And they're not cheap. But you know, you see a
What are they,
lot
like
of...
40, 45 bucks?
Anyway, this...
Yeah, we're gonna do a video. This my first video with the club for a long time. Turn around. Let me get the back. Oh, Mary Lou, perfect.
Somebody rode behind me one day, and I had this shirt on, and he said, "That's very cheeky."
I just have brake shirts for riding.
Do I have to get off my bike to get right? The crowd. We're gonna get our picture. Yeah, well, get a little video too at the same time.
That's right. Trip over me.
Bruce, hey. Yeah, we're going to document this thing on video this time.
Yes, wow. And
Okay, well, this is the second stop, I think. Okay, second, Robert.
we're halfway.
We're looking for the rest of the crowd somewhere back there.
I think you're down.
Okay, gang's all here.
Palmy's Gardens playing this weekend. So hot dog.
Whoa, hallelujah. I was talking.
Yep. This is our usual stopping spot.
Drag racing, yeah?
I guess, yes. What do you think, John?
Do you have the power brakes?
Yes, disc brakes, not power. This
Kate,
hand
this bike
power.
has disc brakes, but it's their power.
Hydraulic?
It's got hydraulic brakes.
Well,
Yeah.
maybe they are. They got a little thing here. Maybe they are hydraulic, you know? What do I know? It looks like it probably is hydraulic. Let's look
Probably.
at it. Yeah. All right, we learned something. Okay.
That's nice for the people who can see it.
So this is a impromptu break because our leader lost her map.
I was just way back there.
Oh, they're always way back. Let's see if we can get her.
Oh, here we go. We're going.
All right, I'm taking some GoPro footage on the road here. I got to see this software has this anti-shake thing, takes the shake out of it.
Oh, okay.
So I got to see how that's going to work. Let's see who's behind us.
How much, you gotta see how much shake it takes out.
Well, we'll find out when I process this video. 3 people are missing. We're at the sawmill area, I guess.
Oh, sorry.
Here. You got to get out of the, get into the sun here. Sawmill area, kind of a nice area.
I guess so.
John is pedaling back. He's heading back briskly.
Is John leaving?
It looks that way.
Looks like it. He thought he was going to sell me.
Nice to see you back.
We're back. Yes. Well, yeah, there's one back to get their car. Picnic spot. Let me get myself here.
Trip. So
always fun. We try to do it every year. And Lauren always makes delicious desserts. I'm going to thank her. Right in front of me.
I'm hiding out with my sunglasses on.
Lauren's a great organizer.
She's a great organizer. She's
And the
one that always
conovers are the best
sends
leaders.
an email saying, "Oh, we got to set a date." So yeah, thank you to Lauren and Victor, and I hope everyone had a good time.
There he goes, gobbling up all them sweets. How'd you do on the bike ride?
I just fell twice.
You really fell twice? You're kidding.
Well, the chain came off. I don't.
Okay, the chain came off.
The chain.